Hello again, everyone, especially to those who are looking for an office job. We have a office job located in Chiyoda Ward in Tokyo. So the job description for this is sales, design, and also teaching office general staff. So this is located in Chiyoda Ward in Tokyo, and the timing for this will be from 9 o'clock to 1800, and the salary is from 230,000 yen to 500,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. But the level of Japanese for this is at least N2 or N1 level. So you must speak good Japanese. At the same time, you must read basic kanji. So if you are willing to apply for this one, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow 5:30 Friday at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So by the way, all the jobs has a visa support. So any type of visa can apply, and once you are hired, then we can change or process your proper working visa. Thank you.